What am I filming today?
Just film me.
I'm filming you.
Oh, where the fuck's my
Cinematics.
It's a nice cinematics colour. That's what it's about, eh?
Uncle Tyler. We ain't playing around.
The car water or is it water?
Nah, tap water, Dilly. Tap water. There's still shit on the bottom.
Yeah, you can stir yours when you're ready.
Yeah. I thought you were having double shot there, Diddley. Naked.
We're about to get your first hand reaction ready to this, my favourite new gym song. Ready? Let's ask this. Let's ask this song, ready?
Pursue me to the ends of the earth.
Ready, God?
Got something to show you.
Oh, what's that? My heart.
Puss, lad. Puss. You seen that TikTok out, Braz?
You're about to smash them chest.
No, do that after. Yeah. Trust.
Do a bit of pull-ups.
Oh, doing dick.
Nah, not. It's because I'm famous,
What
bro.
are we doing, bro? He's about to smash chest.
Fresh kicks. Razors. Bring that club. Is the sex alright? Fresh kicks.
about to see Jack.
Don't piss me off, you man.
Alright, quick update guys. Just finished a fucking mad chest session at the gym. And then I went to Rebel Sports, brought some wraps. So I'm just driving back home right now. Probably gonna eat something. Oats. I've been starting to track my calories lately, so I had some rice bubbles this morning, which you've seen. Quick carbs. I eat that every morning before the gym. Then I go to the gym, work out, come back, and I'll eat oats and peanut butter and a protein shake. So we'll get home now and I'll show you guys that process. It's not much of a process, it's just making oats, but we'll fucking do that. And then we'll act like Michael Jackson and beat it. A fucking game or something.
Nah, we're the gym, it ain't cock.
Eh?
Yeah?
I know what you just said, Reece.
Work out, brothers, put your calories up, and fuck around.
Have some oats.
Fucking pissing me off, eh? Yeah. Dead fucked up set. Just got some oats and porridge. Didn't even film it. I said I was gonna film it, but I didn't. But now I'm eating it. It's junk.